Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how I prepared this nutritious tilapia and lamb soup in the slow cooker. For our ingredients, we'll need some tilapia, fresh tilapia cleaned, and some lamb, tomato paste, tomato puree, onions, pepper, garlic, ginger, and some basil. So we'll first marinate our fish with ginger, garlic, onion, and pepper that has been blended for a couple of hours. So in your slow cooker, we'll first be adding our lamb, and to it we'll add our blended onion, ginger, garlic, and pepper. We'll be adding some salt to it and then turn on our slow cooker. So after about an hour, we'll be adding our tomato paste and our tomato puree. And then stir it very well to ensure everything is well incorporated. We'll then be adding about 1.5 liters of water. And cover it up for it to slow cook for about a couple of hours. So it's been slow cooking for about 2 hours now. And this is how the lamb looks. Looks really good. Next, we'll be adding a bit of salt, our marinated tilapia, ensure it is immersed in the soup, and cover it up for it to cook for about an hour. So after an hour, we'll be adding basil. I'm using the dry basil. You can use the fresh one if you have available. And as you can see, there is this foamy bubble on top of the soup, and it's a clear indication that our soup is not yet done. So after about 5.5 hours of slow cooking, our soup is finally done. And I'm dishing out a portion for myself. I'll be having this with a bowl of fufu. You can have this also with rice. The lamb looks so tender. Delicious. I hope you give this a try at home and comment down below what you think of this recipe. Please subscribe to this channel and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.